If you eat any of these snacks, you gotta go. Zebra cakes? Zebra cakes are trife. Like for real. I don't know how. Y'all eat this shit like it doesn't taste good. Y'all taste buds are on some nut shit. If you eat zebra cakes. But if you eat this trifling piece of shit of a snack, please get the fuck. Oh my god. Bunions? There's no way. No fucking way. Y'all are out here eating Funyuns. Y'all gotta do better. Funyuns are top tier shit. They don't taste good. If you eat Funyuns, look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, why do you eat Funyuns? Shit. Now please get the fuck.